Quick look today at the thigh rig T4 that we've recently released. It's a Type 4 base, so it's convertible to one of our Type 4 chest rigs with our conversion kits. How it works is it's got two belt loops on the top of the rig and a removable elastic strap, fully adjustable. It's got a pouch for a small radio on the right hand side. Simply pull the tab up, remove the radio, drop the radio back in, lift the tab up, and the cord should go over the channel selector on the radio. Enough room for a remote mic to attach here. And then just like our chest rig Type 4, you can run your cables if you choose to, up, down through the back and bottom of the radio pocket and the main pouch. Or you can run an RSM up, say the back, up your back, and then around the front. These they've been pretty popular with costume, wardrobe, hair and makeup department. The comfort level when seated is really good, and it just kind of follows you wherever you go. So if you're doing something here, yeah, I don't know why I just make myself dizzy like that. The thigh rig is convertible into a chest rig, so I'm going to demonstrate now and you'll see exactly how long it takes. All right, strap comes off, removing first, second belt loop, 1, 2, cool. We put the base on a bench of sorts, and we grab this harness and we're going to feed it in closest to the base and then pass it back through and pull that all the way until it lines up with or well, wherever you adjust it, but for me it's here. And then we just lock that webbing away there and there. That's one side done. Feed it through closest to the base, feed it through the top, back up through that hardware. And that's it. And then sit that rig and clip on, and now we're chest rig mode. So let's convert the chest rig back into a thigh rig.